accurately measures vision with smart assembly, moving control technology, and quickly guides the center of the cornea. HRK-1, Standard Auto Refractometer Keratometer. Considering the refractive error of the patient, the measurement ring is projected on the retina and is adjusted automatically by smart assembly, moving to secure a stable signal. At any point of the patient's cornea toward the aiming dot, with the fast targeting of the center of an eye, makes it easy to measure conveniently. You can easily use various features, such as color view mode and retro illumination mode. The auto tracking function automatically tracks the subject's eye from the moment it appears on the screen. And the intuitive, icon-based interface makes it easy for beginners to use like a professional's. Achieve perfect measurement results with the HRK-1, Standard Auto Refractometer Keratometer.